here's a tough reality. Underground pipes sometimes crack, leak, and become a real hard-to-get-to problem. You could dig up your entire yard to repair the damaged piping, or you can choose sewer pipelining with blue light LED technology, a new trenchless pipe repair solution that spares your yard from excavation, saving trees, landscaping, sidewalks, and driveways on your property. Trenchless pipelining, or CIPP, cured in-place pipelining, can be accomplished by an experienced team in just a few easy steps. A sewer camera completes a video inspection of your pipes to identify cracks and other issues. The pipe is cleaned through a multi-use machine for descaling or cleaning and/or hydrojetting using pressurized water. The pipeliner, typically a felt tube made of fiberglass cloth, gets assembled. A Bluelight-Responsive epoxy resin saturates the inside of the pipelining tube. The resin-covered pipeliner is inserted and moved through the existing damaged pipe system, where it gets inflated and cured in place. Older methods use hot air or steam to cure the pipeliner in place, sometimes taking more than 5 hours for the new pipe to set. But using innovative blue light LED technology, the curing process can be completed in a fraction of the time, creating a newly repaired, reliable pipe for years to come. Hoffmann Brothers is the only contractor in the St. Louis area that uses this blue LED light technology. Get the job done fast and done right with Hoffmann Brothers. Call today for an estimate on any of our trenchless sewer repair or replacement methods.